In early spring 2000, Shijiazhuang City Electric Company Limited was established as our national key high-tech enterprise. After 10 years development, Keyi is well known in the electric power field. Our products are widely applied in the fields of power, hydropower, mining, petrochemical, railway, metallurgy, and so on. Based on users' need and technological innovation, Keyi has researched hundreds of products with independent, intelligent rate, covering generation, transmission, distribution, consumption, dispatching, and a smart microgrid. Keyi constantly improves management and service, emphasizes quality to provide users with the primary and secondary solution for power system. In the 21st century, with the rapid development of science and technology, technological innovation has become a core competence of enterprises. Keyi has constantly developed a substation monitoring system, hydropower station monitoring system, DC power system, outdoor and indoor vacuum breaker, HV and LV switchgear, energy acquisition system, smart meter and efficiency management system. Keyi owns hundreds of patented technology and software copyright, and obtained a Provincial Technological Progress Award several times. The R&D Center for Keyi is awarded as a Technical Center for Smart Grid Distribution and a Consumption Project in Hebei Province, Technological Center in Hebei Province. Keyi has took on national technological projects constantly and made a positive contribution to national power construction and development. Market guides, leading technology. To meet the accelerating competition and strive for excellence, Keyi has introduced amounts of advanced automatic production lines, including high-speed SMT assembly line, automatic robot welding line, automatic wave soldering line, and high-precision sheet metal line, achieving high-quality and high-efficiency scale production. With a deep understanding of customers' requirements, Keyi keeps technological innovation, developing new products to meet the market. With reasonable allocation, superior performance, and high reliability, Keyi products have successfully applied to State Grid of China, China Southern Grid, CCTV, China National Petroleum Corporation, China National Nuclear Corporation, Shenhua Group, China Railway, and other enterprises. At the same time, Keyi actively expands overseas market, and our products are being sold to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Mid East, and so on. Joyful to work, healthy to live. Staff in Keyi keeps self-improvement and self-cultivation to build an active and honest, positive and creative corporate culture. Keyi organizes sports meeting, New Year party and singing competition every year, and issue our own publication, Voyage. Keyi pay back society by aiding disaster areas and donating for education. Keyi regards dedication, cultivation, innovation, and fighting as its spirit, sticks to the people-oriented idea, and attach great importance to virtue and ability, providing talent with wide development space. Many graduates from famous universities become the backbone of Keyi, an expert in power field after learning. Several of Keyi staff who contribute a lot to the development of Keyi have been honored with May 4th Youth Medal, Model Worker, and so on. Exist with virtue, win through integrity. Leaders in Keyi pay attention to the cultural construction to create a harmonious environment, which enable Keyi to keep ahead in the competition. Keyi will achieve the leap development by continuous technological innovation, investing and financing strength, asset reorganization, group structure construction, industrial chain extension, smart grid industrial park establishment. Nowadays, KE has become a comprehensive enterprise which gather R&D, sell, product, service in one, and has steadily improved its position in power field. In order to achieve a famous brand, all staff are taking efforts to draw up the blueprint of KE. Leading in technology, standing across centuries, KE regards high-tech as core, creating talent as motivation, serving national power as a self-responsibility. With a global vision, KE is taking its infinite passion to create a boundless legend. Valuing honesty and integrity, serving global power.